Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix the problem of browser on the application of X. You will go to X you will go to settings here. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will click on X app and you will enter here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.